Yo, what if I told you this mouth right here ain't even mine? For real. Today we're making reusable talking avatars. So your meme can chat, your dog can draw bars, or your ex can apologize on loop. And the best part, it only takes 4 steps to make. Now, let's get this started. Alright, first things first, we gotta cook up your character. You're gonna head over to Leonardo.ai. They've got a free tier, and honestly, that's all you need for this. Now in the prompt box, you're going to type something like cartoon guy front view, mouth closed, plain background, AK detail. And I mean it when I say put mouth closed. That's the secret sauce right there. We want a blank canvas, no smiles, no teeth, just chilling. Once you hit generate, it'll give you a bunch of options. Scroll through and pick the cleanest looking one. And please, skip that one looking like he just sucked on the lemon. When you find your guy, go ahead and download it. Next up, time to erase that mouth. Pull up Canva.com, start a new design and set the custom size to 1920 by 1080. That's your standard video layout. Upload the avatar you just downloaded. Click on edit photo and look for the magic eraser tool. Now zoom in real close on the mouth. I'm talking real close. Then just brush over the lips, and just like that, poof, gone. Once you're done, export it and save that file as avatar.xiaomi.png. This is your template for everything moving forward. Now here's where it gets fun. We're about to make a standalone talking mouth. Head over to Adobe Express and select Animate from Audio. But listen, do not upload your avatar here, trust me. What you're going to do instead is click on the background and change it to neon green. Then go to Mouse. Then select any mouth you want. I would choose this one since it looks cool. Now let's make that mouth talk. You can either record your own audio, say something wild like, "Y'all ain't ready for this tech," or just upload any clip you've got. Toggle on the auto sync option and watch that mouth wiggle along to your voice. It's weird at first, but trust the process. Once it's synced up, export the file and save it as talkingmouth_green.mp4 or anything you want really. What you've got now is just a bouncing dot on a green background, and that's all we need. Now let's put it all together. Open up CapCut and start a new project. First, add in that avatar base.png file, your mouthless cartoon guy. Then layer in the talking mouth Josh Green.mp4 file you just made, that little animated circle. Now for the magic trick, chroma key. Click on the mouth layer, turn on chroma key and tap the green background to make it disappear. Just like that, the green's gone and all that's left is your animated mouth. Resize it so it fits perfectly over your avatar's lips. Match the skin tone if you need to. You want it to blend smooth and natural. Once it looks right, boom, you got yourself a talking avatar. And the best part, you can duplicate that same setup and reuse it as many times as you want.
What's good with y'all? This is just a short recording. I'm recording this while I'm still outside. That's incredible.
Now, if you're trying to level this thing up, I got some pro tips for you. Want to make the mouth look more real? Go back into Canva and layer in some subtle teeth underneath the animated circle. Need better syncing? If your voice feels off or slow, you can stretch those purple word bubbles in Adobe Express to match your pacing. And if the green from the background is spilling over into your video, use CapCut's intensity slider. Dial it down to about 85% and that should clean it up. Man, this would have saved my dating app videos. Hey girl, in 10 different voices, game changer. Aight, now it's your turn to cook. All the tools I used are linked down below, and yeah, they're all free. Tag me at MXT when you make yours. I'm shouting out the best ones on TikTok, and if you want to keep learning tricks like this, Hollywood results, no Hollywood price tag, you know what to do, subscribe or don't. But if your dog starts talking and your ex starts confessing, don't say I didn't hook you up. Peace, 2 thumbs up.